You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this plant, these seeds, this ingredient. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced fenugreek. Fenugreek. Some may say fenugreek, which is fine too. Stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation, British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Fenugreek seeds. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.